Bison IT is one of the most popular DIY pest control products that homeowners use. But if you talk to people online, you'll see two completely different opinions. Some homeowners say it works amazing, and others say it didn't work at all. And the truth is, most of the time, the difference comes down to how it's applied. So in this video, I want to go over some of the biggest mistakes homeowners make when using Bison IT and how you can avoid them so it actually works the way it's supposed to. What is going on, everybody? Eric here with the Average Homeowners YouTube channel, and today we're talking about real things that homeowners deal with: lawn care, maintenance, upgrades, and protecting your home. In my last video, we talked about what Bison IT is and how to apply it around your home. But today I want to talk about the mistakes people make that cause it not to work as well as it should. Because when this product is used correctly, it can be extremely effective as part of a DIY pest control regimen. As always, if you find anything useful in this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. It'll help you see more of my videos in the future. And if you've ever used Bison, go ahead and drop a comment down in the comment section below and let me know what kind of bugs you were treating for and how well it worked for you. As always, everything I talk about in this video, as well as some of the other things that I use on the channel, are linked in the description below. If you're gonna order it through there. It helps the channel out, and I really appreciate it. Mistake number one, spraying only when they see bugs. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is only spraying after they start seeing bugs. But the real purpose of Bison IT is prevention. Think of it like creating a defensive barrier around the house. You want insects to walk across the treated surfaces before they ever get to your home or try and get inside. So instead of waiting until you have a problem, most homeowners should be doing regular perimeter treatments every 30 to 90 days, depending on your climate. That way you're stopping bugs before they become a problem. Mistake number two, you're spraying the wrong areas. Another common mistake is spraying random areas of the yard instead of focusing on where pests actively enter the home. Most insects get into your home through very specific entry points. These include the foundation of your house, doors, window frames, garage edges, utility penetration, cracks in the siding, and weep holes. Professional pest control companies usually use what you've heard me talk about, the 3-foot rule. This typically means spraying 3 feet up the wall and 3 feet out from the foundation. This creates a barrier that insects have to cross if they want to try and get in your home. Mistake number trace, they're mixing the concentration wrong. Bison IT is a concentrate, which means it has to be mixed with water before applying to your home. Some homeowners accidentally mix it too weak, which reduces the effectiveness, and others mix it way too strong, thinking that more chemical means better results. But pesticides don't work that way. In fact, applying them stronger than recommended can actually reduce the effectiveness and create safety issues. For most perimeter applications, the label typically recommends around 1 ounce per gallon of water, but you should always follow the instructions on your label. The label is the official and legal guide for the safe and effective use of all products. Mistake number four, not reapplying often enough. Bison IT has a residual effect, but it doesn't last forever. Rain, sun, and general weather exposure slowly break it down. In most cases, protection outdoors lasts somewhere between 30 and 90 days. So if someone sprays once in the spring and expects it to work all summer, it's probably not going to work. A better approach for most homeowners is applying it every 30 to 60 days during peak bug season and every 2 to 3 months during the cooler months. And mistake number five, expecting instant results. Another mistake that people can make is expecting immediate results. Bison isn't always an instant knockdown product, but what it does is leave a treated surface that insects have to cross. After they contact it, the chemical affects their central nervous system. So sometimes a bug will still be visible for a short period of time before the product does its job. That's why consistency with your treatments is so important. Mistake number six, ignoring other pest prevention basics. Even the best pest control products can't overcome certain conditions that attract bugs. If your home has standing water, mulch applied against the house, cracks and gaps in the foundation, and outdoor lights attracting insects, you still may see pest activity. Good pest control usually works best as a combination of treatments and prevention. For me personally, the biggest challenge I saw when using Bison was when I started focusing on consistent perimeter treatments instead of occasional spraying. I made the same mistake a lot of people do when I first started 7 years ago using Bison. And it was that I would spray only when I saw the bugs. And that, one of the first mistakes we talked about. Once I created a routine, the number of bugs around and making entry into the home dropped dramatically. And that's usually the difference between homeowners who say it works and those who say it doesn't. So if you're using Bison IT around your home, avoiding these mistakes can make a big difference in how effective it is. Used correctly, it's one of the most popular DIY pest control products on the market, and homeowners absolutely rely on it. So hey, if you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to The Average Homeowners. And I'm curious, if you've used Bison IT before, let me know in the comments below. Did it work for you, or did you run into some of these problems while you were using it? Your experience may help another homeowner watching this video. And if you haven't seen my video on how and why to apply Bison IT to your home on a regular schedule, check this video out here. And if you've already seen that one, go ahead and check this video out right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.